Hello students. So in today's video lesson we are going to discuss about two assignments. One of the assignment is document template and another one which we are going to discuss today is about character formatting. So let us discuss the first one, document template. When we are talking about template, then what does it mean? So basically template means it is a predefined size. It is the predefined fill in the blank style of document where some of the designs will already be given to you and you have to use that particular template to make your document. So here we will see how we can create our own templates. So for that some steps are needed to be followed, and the steps are: first you have to open a blank document and you have to make the template as per your choice. While saving your document, you have to remember that it should be saved as your document template. In the previous version of Microsoft Word, it is written Word template. Okay, so you have to choose either document template or Word template. Then you can make your own template for your document purpose. So that is the first assignment that we have to do in today's video lesson. And another thing which we are going to discuss is character formatting, that I will also show you practically. So let us discuss first what are the different character formatting available in Microsoft Word. So here we can see font face is there where we can change the style of writing. Okay, so most commonly used are Times New Roman, Arial, Calibri or Cambria. These are the most known font face that we are using in for daily purpose. So we will discuss how to change a particular font style, and then font size. You all of you know that we can change the size of our font. We can increase the size, we can decrease the size. Okay, then the next thing is grow font. Here we can make a font size larger than the current font size by a specified point, and similarly we can shrink the font as well. Okay, so all these things I am going to discuss in this video. Then next one is strike through. Here our word will be seen in a form of striked word. Okay, a line will be there in between. A horizontal line will come for the text that we have written. Okay, then subscript and superscript. Subscript means in some mathematical terms we are writing 2 to the power 2. So for making a power we have to use subscript, and subscript is suppose H2O. Here the 2 should be written in the base. So for that we have to use the option subscript, and to be written in a higher level we have to choose superscript. Then we can clear all the formatting that we have used in a particular text using this formatting, clear formatting. And this formatting may be bold, maybe italics, maybe underline, maybe any font face we have used, any types of formatting if we have done. And to remove this formatting we can go for clear formatting. So basically what we have to do, we have to select the particular text and then we have to click on this clear formatting. Okay, then text highlight color. We can change the particular background of selected text as well. Then we can change the font color as well, and we can change the case. It means we can have different case. Different case means we can convert all the text into capital letters, we can convert all the text into small letters, and some other types of cases are also given. So let us see what are the different types of cases are available in Word that we are going to discuss here. So here we are having sentence case. If you can see that while writing in our notebook we are using sentence case, means the first character in the first word is written in the capital letter. Okay, and lowercase means all the letters will be converted into small letters. Uppercase means all the letters will be converted into capital letters. Capitalize each word means the first character of each word will be in capital letter. Remember, the first character of each word will be in capital letter. And toggle case means it will be a mixture of capital letters, means all the small letters will be converted to capital and all the capital letters will be converted to small letters. Okay, it will be in the toggled form. There will be an interchange of the case. So let us discuss one by one about these assignment. So let us have the first assignment, which is our document template. Let me explain what is the meaning of document template. So here you can see, if we will go for the option new, okay, here you are having the options. Here some of the templates are already given. Now let me select any one of the templates so that you can know that what is the meaning of template. If you can see here, suppose I am taking this template. Okay, so here you can see that one template will come over our document and it is having some predefined designs. Okay, here you can see that type the sender company name. The format is already given to you. Here you have to change only the text. That is the meaning of template. A design is available to you, only you have to change the text. Means here you can change name of the company, here you can give the address, here you have to write the date, here you have to write the address. All the things are given in a predefined format. Okay, so in case you want to design your own format, then how to do that? So in this video we are going to discuss that how to create our own format. So for that you have to go to the option new. Okay, and see here what suppose take blank document and create. Okay, you choose any formatting for your template purpose, write anything. Okay, um, suppose you want to insert a header or footer to particular template, then you may add the header and footer to your document. Suppose I am writing suppose here, okay, we have added the header. Okay, and then anything, suppose you want to write here assignment name. Okay, here the name should be given. So design any template as per your choice. Okay, the important thing is how you have to save the document as a template, because this is not a Word document, this should be used as a template. So for that you have to save it, and in the save as type, see here it is written Word document, but you have to choose here Word template. Okay, and then save it. Clear? So now let us try to open it. Okay, let us close it, and when you will try to open it, you have to go to the template option. Here you can see that you have to go for my templates. Okay, so some of the templates already we have created, I have created previously also. Okay, you can see some of the templates can be seen. If you are saving a particular template, then it will go under my templates option. Okay, so here your template should come. Okay, so let me show you once again what you have to do. First you have to go to your new option. Okay, then just here my templates, go to my templates. Okay, and what we are going to create, we are going to create a template. We will go create. Okay, okay, and just give any design to your template, whatever design you want, give it any design to your template. Okay, and then save it. Remember you have to save it as Word template is already here. I am giving the name template 1. Okay, then save. And let us try to open our template. We have to go to open, and here we have to, sorry, not open, we have to go for new, and here we will go for my templates. Here you can see template 1 was the same template that we have created just now, and click OK. We will have our template with us. Okay, so this was all about to define your own template, and if you want to use any previously defined template also, then that can also be used. Okay, now so next we are going to discuss some of the character formatting. So for that, let us write something. The chemical formula of water is H2O. Okay, and let us try to format it. Here we can see that, suppose I want to change the font face. So these are the font face available here. Okay, here, from here you can choose the different font faces. These are known as font faces. Choose any one. Okay, you can change the font size as well. Here we are having the font size. You can choose as per your requirement. Okay, go for any size. Here you are having the color for font. Take any color. Okay, your color will be changed. Now to highlight your font, this can be used. It will give you the background color of the selected case. Okay, here we are having grow font. You can see grow font. Okay, so it will see, you can grow a particular selected text. Similarly, you can shrink it as well. Okay, and here you can see that we are having bold, italic, underline. Okay, so let me show you one by one all the character formattings. Bold will make the letters in bold form. Okay, and if you will again click it, it will become normal. Here italic, okay, you will see the slanting of the text. Again click it to get back the original text. Here one underline will be there. You can see one underline is there, and if you want to remove it, click it again. And here the strike through feature is there. Now see, one horizontal line come over there. This is strike through feature. Okay, and here you can see, let me remove the strike through feature. Here you can see subscript is there. If you want to make 2 as a subscript, select the 2 and here choose it. Now it is H2O. It has become the base, the subscript. And suppose you want to write AQ. Okay, so this should be superscript. So for that you have to choose this one. Now this become superscript. Okay, and the other formatting we are having is here. Okay, sentence case. Let us choose and see what difference we are getting. Okay, choose the text and we will see first sentence case. Okay, now let us change the style of writing, Cambria. Okay, I have changed the font face, and let us go for sentence case. Already the first one is in a small. Let me make it okay. Then now we will apply our sentence case. Let me write anything bete once again. The chemical formula, okay, see here we are getting the sentence case T remains capital, other things become in small. Okay, now lowercase, all the things will be in small letters. Okay, then uppercase, all things will be in capital letters, and in capitalize each word, all the word will have first letter in capital. You can see T capital, C capital, F capital, and in toggle form it will be toggle case. You can see small becomes capital, capital becomes small. So these were all about bete our formatting, character formatting. Okay, so in today's video we have seen, okay, one more thing here, this one is clear formatting. You choose the text and go for clear formatting. You will have that all formatting have been removed. Okay, whatever formatting we have done, all those formattings have been removed. Now the superscript, subscript, the all those things have been removed. Here we can also go for clear formatting. Okay, so clear formatting will remove what remove only some of the things. You can see what things are being removed in clear formatting. You can see here that it removes bold, italics, underline, font face, size, superscript, subscript. Okay, and rest of the thing is not removed. So I can show you that suppose this has been bold, this has been strike through, and let us go for clear formatting. Now see, it removed the bold uh, formatting as well as strike through formatting. Okay, so this is all about today. I hope you have understood about these two topics, document template and character formatting. So thank you for watching it. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe it.